Elephant Joe, brave firefighter. It was a sunny afternoon at summer camp. Elephant Joe and Zebra Pete were waiting to surprise Dragon. Here comes Dragon. Let's jump out. Happy birthday. Surprise. Dragon was so surprised, he flew up a tree. Come down, Dragon. Oh, dear. But Dragon was stuck. My wings are tangled in the branches. Help. We must rescue Dragon. It's an emergency. Call 911. That will be hard to do without a phone. We need a fire truck. We need uniforms. Look at us, we're firefighters. Turn on the siren. Elephant Joe to the rescue. Help. Stand back. How will Elephant Joe save Dragon? Raise the ladder. Quick as a flash, Elephant Joe untangled Dragon's wings. Jump on my back. Hang on, Dragon. Dragon is saved. Then, it was time for cake. Happy birthday. Make a wish. I hope Dragon knows how to blow out candles. Dragon breathed the fire instead. The cake has burst into flames. Whoops. Oh, no. Fire. A real fire. Sound the alarm. Luckily, Elephant Joe and Zebra Pete were ready for action. Here we go again. Where is the fire hydrant? There are no hydrants in the forest. Just then, Zebra Pete had an idea. Use your trunk, Elephant Joe. I need water. Jump on my back and I will fly you to the lake. There's the lake. Elephant Joe sucked up water with his trunk. Hurry! Elephant Joe spouted water all over the flames. Yay! The fire is out. Wow! What an exciting birthday! Too bad, the cake was ruined. Never mind. Let's roast these marshmallows instead. Great idea, Zebra Pete. I like being a firefighter. What heroes!